If you ever struggle continuing a conversation or you go blank in the middle of the conversation thinking, okay, what can I ask this person or how do I keep this conversation alive? If you just master this conversation matrix that I'm about to share, you will never go through that awkward situation ever again because it's very simple. All you need to do is remember five things: first, last, best, worst, weirdest. That's it. Now just make sure to watch till the end of this video because there's some details that you don't want to mess up in because it can get pretty awkward using this as well. So the idea behind this is if you just remember first, last, best, worst, weirdest, and you can put any topic next to it. For example, let's say you see that they have a book in their hand. You can ask them any question around books. What was the first book that you ever read? What was the last book that you ever read? What was the best book? What was the worst book? What was the weirdest book that you've ever read? And that way you have unlimited conversations that you can have around any topic. Let's say instead of books, you're talking about travel. What was the first vacation that you ever took? Last, best, worst, weirdest. And that way you can always have this Rolodex of conversations that you can go through. Now, in saying that, if you do this the wrong way, it can look a bit weird. So, for example, if you ask them, hey, what was the first vacation that they ever went on? And they share a story with you, most likely they're going to ask you, hey, what was the first vacation that you ever went on? And then you get to share a story with them. So, you do need to get good at telling stories. However, most people, what they do is they go from that first question and they just immediately ask, oh, what was the last vacation they went on? And then the best, worst, weirdest. And that makes it really awkward for the other person because it seems like you're going through a checklist. So, what you want to do is you want to completely finish one topic before you move to the next. So, for example, if you're talking about the first vacation that they ever went on, ask them, hey, why was it a great vacation? What made it bad? What made it good? What were the small little details about that vacation? Go deep into that topic before you move into the next and the next, because otherwise they're going to seem like you're just going through a checklist of first, last, best, worst, weirdest, and it just seems weird. So there's three things that you need to remember. First is the matrix itself: first, last, best, worst, weirdest. Second is make sure you go deep into a conversation, and only once that conversation is completely ended, you've completely juiced out everything you can about that topic, go to the next one. And the last part is make sure you're good at telling stories, because once you ask someone for their story, they're going to ask that question back to you, and you should be able to give a good answer to that question as well. Now, look, if you like this video and you want me to make more videos about storytelling and tactical advice like this, then just let me know in the comments and I'll try to make more videos on storytelling. Hey, how are you doing? Okay. By the way, this is my cat. Actually, he's not my cat. His name is Ho because he's technically someone else's cat, but he sleeps with us. So the name seemed appropriate. But back to the topic.